Everyone says learn AI, but nobody tells you where to start. Have you noticed that everywhere you look, somebody is talking about AI? Learn AI, use AI, build AI agents, start a AI business, and honestly, after watching enough videos, I felt like everyone knows what was going on except me. I thought learning AI would be simple. Watch few YouTube videos, install few tools, build something cool, done. Reality, I ended up with dozens of browser tabs open and a bunch of notes that I don't understand and more confusion than when I started. So in this video, I want to show you the exact system that I'm using to learn AI, the tools that I'm using, and the first projects that I'm building. If you are a beginner and feel overwhelmed, this video is for you. Before I show you the system, let me show you my biggest mistake. My strategy was basically this. Watch random AI videos, get excited, open 10 new tabs, forget everything, repeat. Every day I was learning something different. One day it was AI agents, next day it was LangChain. Then somebody told me to learn Python. Another person said I need a rack. And somebody else said like I needed MCP servers. At some point I felt like I need a dictionary just to understand the tutorials. And that's when I realized something. The problem wasn't the lack of information. The problem was too much information. Then I stopped trying to learn everything. But I built a simple learning system instead. Let me show you. The first thing that I will show you is GitHub. Have you guys heard about GitHub? It's a famous tool, a famous thing that people are all over the AI world is talking about. Just where you can store your codes, where you can store your projects, AI projects and stuff like that. It's universal. It's really helpful for people who wanted to learn AI, wanted to have some skills, like all the documentation work of AI is under GitHub. Start working on GitHub and start storing all your documents, projects and skills and stuff like that. So it'll be really helpful for your career. So let me show you. This is my dashboard, and under the dashboard, I have different repositories. But my first repository is AI Learning Journey. Under the AI Learning Journey, I have a bunch of folders open: AI agents, daily notes, LangChain, Ollama, projects, Python. So don't worry about that. Just a simple folders where all these folders have their own information, like the daily notes, especially. Daily notes is something like whatever I learned today, I store that. Even if it's mistake, if it's a mistake, I store that mistake. Even if it's a success, something, I'll show that success. Whatever I work on every day, every projects that I work on, every skills that I work on, I store inside that daily notes. If you open the daily notes, it'll be like this. Like June 6th, I worked on this, what I learned, AI concepts, what is an AI agent, and what confused me, what will I learn tomorrow, win of the day, and notes to future me. So it is just a documentation that every day I store in this. After like overall a period, if you notice, you would have done so much. So I would advise you to do this. And another one, you have to learn about LangChain. Don't worry about LangChain. LangChain is something like a Lego box where you connect all the AI tools with that. So if you have any AI tools, you can group together. So this LangChain is something that it will help you to connect all the tools. So or once you connect all the tools, it is good. It will be helpful for all the AI projects that we are working on. And next, if the LangChain project basics will be like this. What is LangChain? LangChain is a framework that helps developer build application powered by large language model. It allows all AI models to work with documents, databases, API, memory, external tools. So don't worry about that. In upcoming videos, I will explain about what is more about LangChain and everything. It helps build AI chatbots, AI agents, personal assistant, knowledge bases, something like that. It connects everything actually. That's the main information about LangChain. So I write down all that information every day. So if you can do the system that I'm building right now. So if you follow this system, maybe not the first day you might get it, but eventually at the end, you will end up with something. After 3 months, you open all these folders, you would have done so much. You can't even believe me. So the next one is the Ollama. Ollama is a tool where they have different models attached to it. They have developed a lot of models like Ollama, and the Gemma. There are a lot of models they have. It's all large language model. So it's a beautiful thing because in this LLM, there are a lot of LLMs are open sourced. So you can download on you can install in your computer and start working. It is really helpful because in the beginning that if you want to use all these LLM, it's all API token based. So it will really kill your wallet. You will have to spend a lot of money. But if you do this open sources, if you have open sources on your computer, you will save a lot of money. But as a beginner, I would advise you to go for this Ollama setup. If you set up like example models will be Ollama, Mistral, Gemma, Quinn. If you want to know more about how to do this setup, just tell me. I will share informations to you. I would love to share more information. I'd love to share more value to you. Whatever you ask me, I would love to give you. You don't have to subscribe or you don't have to like my video. I'm here to share the value. So what I learned, what am I learning with Ollama is just learn AI locally. It reduces API cost. You can build a lot of AI projects. Installation, you can directly download from official website, run the installer, restart in terminal if necessary. This is the command that you wanted to paste Ollama version and run Ollama. And then if you want to see what are the Ollama models, you can see the list. So there are a lot of these are stuff that I record. Whatever I do the project, I record everything. So this is the project folder, what I'm working on. I'm working on a local chatbot that I've been using for my pharma project that I've been working on, a healthcare project. In the next video, I will show you the exact chatbot work that I worked on, the project that I've been doing it over AI agents and AI projects. So this is like where I will want to learn intelligent and understand large language models, practice Python, explore AI agent, build AI application locally. It's all locally done on my computer, nothing done on cloud. There's no cloud work, nothing. It's all super safe. You don't have to worry about safety. It is all under your computer. It is all recorded locally. So that's pretty much it about my project. My project goals are like I want to run a local AI model, send prompts, receive responses, a lot of different works. Whatever I do, I just, as I said, just record it, document it. It's most important. And Python, most important. This is the language which is built. This language is something that most of the AI framework is done. You have to learn about Python. I think the only thing that you want to learn about Python is just the architecture framework of AI related to Python. If you can learn that, it will be really helpful for your AI projects and AI work agent work that you just learn the architecture, just learn the basics and try to spot what coding is really important, like how can you place those coding and where you have to place that, you have to know. So that will give you the step-by-step SOP and step-by-step architecture, the framework that if you want to build any kind of AI application or AI agents. So I just wrote down why am I learning Python, basic Python concepts like variable, print statement, list, function, Python and AI. LangChain, OpenAI, Anthropic, ChromeDB is a vector base, and Streamlight is used to develop an app. It's just a interface there where you have your app developed. So these UI and UX interfaces. So this is my learning plan. First month, I will learn about variables, data types, list, loops, functions. And month 2, files, API, automations. Month 3 is LangChain, AI agents, rack systems. So basically, I'm also learning. I'm just document all my learning AI application and AI projects. I'm super into it. I will share all my learnings to you. Hopefully, we can all learn together. And if you want to learn something from me, I would love to share that to you in future. Anyway, this is all about the projects and the folders that I'm working on. If there's one thing I've learned so far, it's this. You don't need to know everything before you start. Most people are waiting until they feel ready. I'm trying the opposite approach. Build first, learn along the way, make mistakes, fix them, repeat. Over the next few months, I will be documenting every project that I work, every lesson I learn, and probably a lot of mistakes too. If you're learning AI as well, feel free to follow along. I'll see you next one.